the dengue menace in the city of Bengaluru. 1,908 dengue cases have been reported in the city, which means that it has worsened in the last few weeks. Now, the highest number of cases after Bengaluru are in Chikmagalur with over 500 cases, followed by Mysuru and Haveri with about 400 cases. BJP's leader of opposition, R. Ashoka, has taken a jibe at the state government, saying that they should be alleviating fear among people and should also get the garbage cleared from streets. The Minister of Health for the state, Mr. Dinesh Gundu Rao, said that the BJP is indulging in scams and doesn't act. Amid this blame game, the health minister has also drawn flack over his swimming video from the opposition BJP. Gundu Rao has refuted the allegation, saying that swimming is part of his routine. The BJP has said that he is not serious about the dengue crisis.
Ensure that people are aware of this dengue, how to protect yourself. Ultimately, the only way to tackle dengue is for source reduction, where the dengue mosquito can breed. That has to be tackled properly. Effects of dengue can, for some people, lead to severe reduction in platelet count. So we are ensured that we have enough stock of platelets, blood platelets, and we have enough stock of fluids, IV fluids, because they can get dehydrated. These are the causes of death or severe dengue when severe dengue infection happens.
As far as the latest things, day by day we are getting more number of dengue cases. As you know, the monsoon seasons every year, it is quite natural where there is a mosquito breedings are more. So usually we'll expect the more cases of the fever cases and the typical presentations of all the dengue presentations we'll get as usual in monsoons. Just like that, other than the dengue also we are getting other mosquito-borne diseases also in monsoon season.
Okay, so questions being asked right now of the Siddaramaiah government and whether they're doing enough to actually tackle this crisis. Anaga Keshav is joining us live from Bengaluru with more details on this. Very, very worrying what's happening in the city of Bengaluru, Anaga. This is, of course, the season when you usually see dengue cases on the rise, but this time it's soaring to new levels. What is the government really doing? What's the action plan?
Well, Akshita, at this point, starting from Jan to July, the dengue cases have soared up to close to 2,000. That's the number of dengue cases that we are talking about. And this is predominantly affecting children more than adults. In fact, the government has taken steps to sort of rectify it. And one step that they have taken forward is fogging, which is essentially spraying insecticides in places that are, that are favorable for mosquitoes to breed. So in areas where there's stagnant water, the BBMP is taking up drives, to go ahead and conduct fogging. Apart from that, even ASHA workers have been advised and suggested to go for door-to-door symptom checking. Even apart from that, testings have also been increased by the government. Even the health minister, he recently held a press meet where he briefed the steps that's being taken by the government. They've even brought down the prices of testing into making it affordable for poor people to go ahead and get themselves tested. Because remember, even dengue can easily be misconstrued for just a viral infection. So, all these awareness is being brought in, among citizens. BBMP is taking essential drives that has to be taken up. But on the other hand, the Health Minister Dinesh Gundu Rao has also been criticized by the BJP because when there is dengue cases that is rising at alarming levels, Dinesh Gundu Rao was found swimming in a swimming pool in Mangaluru. So that has given the opposition in Karnataka enough fodder to target the Congress government, stating that when there is rising dengue cases, Dinesh Gundu Rao is over there swimming and having the time of his life. But he has rebutted, stating that he is doing everything that he can to ensure that there is hygiene and dengue cases are contained.
All right. Let's hope that the government really manages to curtail this crisis at hand. They claim that they've got a full plan in place to ensure that the spread is immediately controlled. Thanks very much, Anaga, for joining us with all of those details.